Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to set up your own SurveyMonkey account. The first thing you need to do is go to SurveyMonkey.com. So you can see that up at the top here. Once you do that, you need to go to Sign Up. So click on that yellow button, Sign Up. You can skip all of this, just skip it and go down to the very bottom where you see the Google icon, because you can sign in with your Google account, and everybody has a Gmail in this class for their Google Classroom, so that works out really well. So click on that. You will see a list of your accounts. I have 3 of them. Maybe you just have 1, so you're going to click the one that you want to use, and you're going to sign in with that one, okay, to create your account. Now you might get lucky and you're ready to go. It's all done, just like I was right now. But sometimes people have to verify their account, their email. And if you have to do that, then what you have to do is go to your Google account. So you would sign into your Google account. Okay, so here I am in my Google account. I would have to open my Gmail. All right, I would open my Gmail. And it looks like I would have to go into a different account, open my Gmail. Let's do this one. And then I would find an email from SurveyMonkey. I would open that email and click Verify. Okay, then I'm done with that, and I have to go back to my SurveyMonkey account. All right, so after you verify, don't stay in your Gmail. Go out and go to your SurveyMonkey.com. All right, so now let's say you set up your SurveyMonkey.com. So let me just go in there, and we're at this page. Let's say you need to log in. So you need to log in. Your screen is going to look like this. Now you can log in, but you can log in with the Google. So you can just click on that one, and it will, then you choose your account. Which one? I'm going to choose this one this time. And it should bring you right into your surveys. All right. Now, from here then, you would create your survey. So this is your button, Create. But I'm going to use a second video to show the creation process. So for now, you have your account, so move on to the next video to see how you can create a survey using a template.